Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my first page ranker review demo and $2,675 bonus. Now this is an amazing product, especially if you need traffic and you don't know anything about SEO or even video creation, okay? So first page ranker is a piece of software that will rank your video on the first page of YouTube, but not only that, in most cases you'll be in the first position on YouTube. And how it does it is it uses the power of live videos, okay? So normally if you go live on YouTube, you always pop up on the first position, okay? But the thing is, you actually have to know how to run a live video. You have to do it live. You need to have something to present, etc. So it's not for everyone, but the cool thing about this product is that you can just upload a video and YouTube will see it as a live video, okay? And if you are not a video marketer, don't worry, because you can easily use other people's videos to do it, so you don't even have to create these videos, okay? So I'm going to show you everything there is to know about first page ranker. We're gonna go through the sales page, the inside of the members area. I'm going to do a little demo, and again, I have a huge $2,675 bonus that will include multiple software, some custom-made traffic solutions for you. So let's jump into this first page ranker review. And even before I'm going to show you how the software works, I'm going to show you some Fiverr gigs that first of all you can deliver yourself if you want to use this software to make money outside of uploading your own videos, obviously. So if you want to make some easy money selling Fiverr gigs, so if you don't want to use this software for your own videos, you can just use it for other people and bank on an easy $25 to $30 per gig, okay? So as you can see, this gig sales, I will do YouTube SEO to improve video ranking. This person sold 2,400 gigs, okay, for $25, and that's the basic version. They have the standard version, €89, which is like $100, and premium $300, so you can make bank with this, okay? And again, all you have to do is just get the video from someone, use the piece of software, and just charge at least $25 per gig. I found another one. I will boost your YouTube video ranking with Whitehead SEO technique. That's $20, and we have another one, $25. I will be your YouTube video specialist, and again, they have the standard version for $28, which is like $35, and $100. That's the premium version for free videos. So guys, there's a ton of money to be made with this. Even if you don't record videos, if you don't have a YouTube channel, you don't want to do this for yourself, you don't want to essentially be sending traffic to affiliate offers, etc. Even if you're just going to do this for someone else, you can make bank. And as you can see, these guys are selling hundreds of these gigs. 200 gigs sold here, 200 sold here, and 2,000 sold here. So tons of money is to be made with this. Now, with that being said, let's check out the sales page, and I'm just going to touch on some key points right here because the sales page is very long, okay? As you can see, it says first page ranker. Attention marketers, are you still struggling to get first page rankings on Google and YouTube and to get the traffic you deserve? Cash in on the dirty little secret that Google doesn't want you to exploit for sales and profit with this easy to use cloud-based app. It's the fastest and easiest way to own the first page of Google and YouTube with your rankings and for a flood of unlimited targeted traffic and sales, all without any of the usual tedious SEO legwork. First page and free clicks, super easy. So again, this has nothing to do with SEO. So normally the process I use for ranking YouTube videos, and you look up any of my review videos, they always rank in the top 3, most of them in the top 1, but it does take me up to 5 hours, okay? So obviously some videos make me thousands of dollars, so it's absolutely worth it, but you don't have to do any of it, okay? No link building, no optimization, you don't have to build any of these link wheels or anything like that. You just have to use this software, and just because YouTube and Google will think that this is a live video, it will automatically go up to the first position, okay? So no SEO work whatsoever. So obviously you can check out their proof and everything else. Let me scroll down here. So these guys have some massive proof, okay? So as you can see, you're gonna be ranking not only on the first page of YouTube, but on the first position in most cases, okay? Some testimonials, Ali G and Yogesh Argawal, these are the two guys behind this product, both very amazing marketers. Again, some more proof. Again, this is not only the first page of Google, but the first position on the first page of, again, both Google and YouTube. So that's Google, that's YouTube right here. So you're going to be just dominating search results with this first page ranker. That's the name of this product. Obviously these guys have tons of testimonials, tons of proof. You're going to be getting free traffic, some more video testimonials right here, a little demo right here, so you can check out this demo. And I'm going to have the same demo both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. Okay, so I'm going to go through the features in this video, but a part of this video, obviously this is a review video, I'm going to have a full demo. Okay, so you can check it out as well. Scrolling down here, you know, as I told you, this is a very long sales page, so you know they are listing everything. These guys will include some fast action bonuses. As you can see, 5 fast action bonuses, and you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones. Okay, 30 days money back guarantee, as always. And again, Ali G and Yogesh Argawal, these are the two guys behind this product. And the inside of the members area looks like this. Okay, so again, this is something super simple, and all you have to understand is that you're going to be uploading a video to this cloud-based app. And again, it doesn't have to be your video. You can use other people's videos. You can legally hijack other people's videos. You can use Creative Commons videos. You can, if you want to, you can do like compilations videos. So you don't have to actually shoot anything. You don't have to put your face on it. You don't have to do the voiceover. This will work with any video. Now, as you can see on the dashboard right here on the first page ranker, we have all of the previous events. Okay, so these live videos are called events. So we have total scheduled events, because obviously you can schedule these. We have completed events, total created events. We have you know, all the active YouTube accounts, because another cool thing is that you can actually do this with multiple YouTube accounts. Okay, so just imagine if you're gonna have 5 YouTube accounts and you're gonna upload the same video to all of these 5, you're gonna essentially be dominating, because each of these accounts will have one video and all 5 will show up in the search result. And you know, this is not possible if you want to do this manually, but with this software it will actually spin the video so it looks like a different video in the eyes of YouTube. Okay, so you can just dominate the first page of Google with not only one video but multiple videos, and they're all yours. And this is all possible with the use of this software. Okay, so again, this is the dashboard. As you can see, we have everything right here when it comes to all your live events. Then we have get rankings. Okay, so we can go live instantly. We can do the multi-spin events, so the exact thing that I just told you. We have automated events, we have events list and events settings. Now again, I'm not going to be creating any events right now, but I'm going to have a full demo so you can see exactly how all of this works. Now we have Video Studio. Now you can actually create a video from within the software. So again, obviously you can use other people's videos, but if you want to create a video, you don't need expensive software like Camtasia. I paid like $350 for Camtasia. That's what I use. You don't have to do it. You can actually create a video from within the software. So as you can see, we can create a video. We have the video list. You can download a video from YouTube. So again, you can use other people's videos. You have the video gallery. You can rebrand a video, and also the green screen option is right here. Okay, so everything when it comes to video creation is here as well. Then we have the settings, so you can see you're going to be adding your accounts, so YouTube accounts and Google accounts. Then we have the image studio, because you can also create images, and these images obviously you can use inside the video, or you can use these as YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so everything that you will need is inside here. And then we have lead generation, so you can actually hook this up to Facebook and start generating leads, and you can also hook this up to your email autoresponder and start generating leads this way as well. Okay, so super cool, all-in-one tool. You don't need anything else. And then the last option is the SEO analysis. So with this thing, obviously you can analyze all of your videos, but an additional thing that you can do is you can sell SEO reports to people on Fiverr, or you know, SEO clerks or any other freelancing website. So obviously, again, you can use this software to help other people to rank their videos. You can create videos. You can create images, and you can also do SEO analysis, which means that if you want to do this for yourself, you have 4 Fiverr gigs that you can start selling immediately. Okay, so there's just multiple ways you can make bank with this. Okay, so again, this is the inside of the members area, and I'm going to have a full demo for you guys so you can check out exactly how all of this works in practice. And right now let's check out the pricing. Okay, so as you can see, first page ranker is $27, but this is actually not the early bird price. The early bird price will be $21, and if you'll decide to pick it up really early, you can get in for just $21, and after the launch the price will be $37. Okay, so this is the price during the launch, after the early bird, and after the launch is $37. And as you can see, we have some OTOs right here, so some upsells that you will be presented with after picking up the main product. Okay, so let's go through all of the upsells right now. So as you can see, first page ranker OTO 1, upsell number 1 is the pro version. So this will be $27 monthly or $67 one time, and this will be the sales page for it. So as you can see, it says unlock the next level of first page ranker and snag more cash from hundreds of profitable niches a lot faster. So this will be OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is one-click rebrander for $47. So this will be the sales page for it. As you can see, it says you're about to unlock easy affiliate profits in the next 30 days or less with the first page ranker. Next up, we got first page ranker OTO number 3, video and SEO suite, $67. And as you can see, this one says let me show you how you can have local businesses knocking on your door, practically shoving $500 and $1,000 checks into your pockets over and over again without making a single phone call starting in the next 72 hours or less. So if you want to bank with local marketing, this is the upsell for you. And then we have the last upsell, which is the reseller, which means that essentially you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profit to yourself. If you want 250 licenses, that's $197. If you want unlimited licenses, that's $247, and this will be the sales page for it. As you can see, it says, can I show you how to make a ton of first page ranking and unlimited traffic with first page ranker really fast. So these are the OTOs, and as always guys, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can see the whole funnel, you can see my whole written review, and you can also check out the bonuses. So this is my written review. I have a full funnel breakdown for you guys here, so you can go through it in your own time. And right now let me show you all of the bonuses. And let me mention to you that first page ranker will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on January 17th. Now if you'll decide to pick it up from my link, I'm going to send you all of these bonuses for free. Okay, and if you want to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, that's the first link in the description. Now, first of all, we have free custom made bonuses I made especially for this promotion, and these are free additional traffic sources that you can just make more money with. Okay, so free custom made bonuses. I have some software solutions for you. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna get VidMason traffic software number 1, you're gonna get the Viral Vidly traffic software number 2, and you're also gonna get Easy Rank Tracker. That's for tracking of all of your videos and see how much traffic and how much rankings they are actually getting you. Okay, now we talked about selling on Fiverr. I'm going to give you free courses about selling on Fiverr, and these are my own W's of the Day awarded products: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. So free courses if you want to use this software and make some easy money on Fiverr. I'm also going to give you a newbie traffic formula, which is about getting traffic outside of the internet marketing niche. I'm also going to give you Flip Me with the income booster and a reseller's license, which is my top selling flipping product. You're gonna get urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, Blaze, tube traffic avalanche, and a case study on free traffic. All of these are W's awarded courses. I'm going to give you 9 additional plugins and software: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. And on top of all this, you're going to get 10 additional pieces of software. So first of all, Authority Traffic Matters. Facebook Live Reaction, Async Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, WP Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slickpop, VidBot. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, guys. Now, and this means that the total worth of my bonus package is worth $2,675. Now, as you can see, these are all software solutions, W's of the Day awarded courses, and some plugins and software, which means that these are not PLR courses or MMR or none of this trash that every single other affiliate is offering. These are quality bonuses you're gonna get again for free from me, just as a thank you for picking up first page ranker through my link. Now, before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus after picking it up through my link. So again, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or first link in the description from YouTube, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog and to the written review. So after picking it up, just go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So just click on your icon on the top right here, click on purchase history, and then after clicking on first page ranker or any other product that you picked up from my link, on the delivery page below the green button saying access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from art, and this is how you will claim all of these bonuses I just showed you. Again, this bonus is worth $2,675 in real world value. And as always, guys, if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on YouTube. So please leave a comment, please like this video on YouTube, and please also subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And again, I really like this product, especially because you're gonna be getting free traffic from YouTube and Google without any SEO knowledge and without creating videos. So huge for any niche. Obviously you can use this for the make money online niche, you can use this for any other niche, because obviously YouTube, you can upload any video you want. So again, if you are scared with video marketing, you don't want to be creating videos, keep in mind you can use other people's videos, or you can just use this software to make some easy money on Fiverr. So guys, that was my first page ranker review. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.